Mower Mike here, Texas HQ, and I've got a treat for you guys. We got the Cub Cadet 1054 in the shop, and I got to do some steering work. And if you saw my John Deere steering videos, they were fantastic, but I am tired of crawling underneath the lawnmower. So we've been doing some testing. I've had some R&D down here, and we have got the way to lift this sucker up with just a push of a button. Easy breezy, so much better. This one's gonna be so much easier. So let's get to the tools. Now what I've got here is the Mower Pullzall. This thing just plugs into your outlet. It lifts 1,000 pounds. I mean, every shop needs one of these suckers. I use mine all the time. I'll put a link to the Amazon link down below where you can get one for a couple $100. Makes this real easy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hook the Pullzall to the front of the lawnmower. Now there's a few things we gotta look at first here. First, take the hood off the mower. You don't want to get the hood scratched up. She is a purty one here. Cub Cadet, one of the best hoods in the market. Then you want to put her in neutral so you can slide her up here, and you're going to want to keep it in neutral. And so we got her slid up, and then you just want to hook it. Just find a good hooking spot. So we'll get the Pullzall going here. There we go. All right. See, on these Cub Cadets, they've got a good frame hook right here. Or I'm just gonna come on over here there, camera lady. I found right there. I think right there-ish will be a good one. And then you just get it out. Make sure you got this sucker on a good point. Now I've got a big beam going through this shop, and I've got it hooked up here to some good steel. Now you're probably pulling up maybe 300 pounds or so. It's not a ton of weight. Well, it ain't nothing for the Pullzall. If you got neutral, look at that! Hot dang! Now come around here. You can see as I pull it up. Now you don't want to pull it straight up. We did some tests and I flipped this whole sucker backwards and it destroyed the rear end of this dang thing. So what you do here, you get yourself a couple wheel chocks. I'll put links to these here if you don't know what a wheel chock is. Apparently today's youth doesn't know what dang wheel chocks are. Do it like so. And then, because if you don't have those wheel chocks, this whole sucker is going to go whoop and you're just getting out of control. So look at that. We have got vertical lift on this sucker. Now if you crawl underneath here, I mean, it's a dirty mess. We're gonna do a lot of steering work and everything, but you can just see, this just makes this whole process so much easier. And you know, I've seen people online with your boards and all your crap. If you wanna do it right, like a professional, like a real mechanic, get yourself a Pullzall and just lift her up in the air and go vertical with her, baby. So with that, Mower Mike, I'm out. Please subscribe.